To fight winter's fury, you need a force of nature. Arm yourself with the IONMAX 13-inch extended runtime cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Perfect anywhere power is at a premium, IONMAX moves more snow with advanced battery technology and cordless convenience. The shovel is driven by Snow Joe's exclusive 24-volt IONMAX lithium-ion battery system, weighing only 14 pounds for maximum maneuverability. The shovel can shred up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, while the dual-handle design provides back-saving, comfort, and control. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, it throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 13-inch wide by 6-inch deep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. When the work is done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. Best of all, it's backed by Snow Joe's complete 2-year warranty for reliable performance season after season. Blast past the limits of the extension cord this winter and go with Joe.